Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a Facebook page is not available right now. So guys, when you open your Facebook or want to open anything on Facebook like groups of pages or videos and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this simply you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on Forget, and guys after this you need to connect it again with your phone, and guys if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and the second method is you need to open your settings again. So guys after this you need to scroll down, and guys here you need to find app management. So here you can see, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to click on app list, and here you need to find Facebook, and guys after finding Facebook you need to click on Facebook, and guys here is the option of storage and cache. So guys simply you need to click on it, and after this you need to click on clear cache and clear storage as well, and click on OK. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys the third method is you need to update your Facebook. So guys how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store in your phone, and guys here you need to search Facebook, and guys after this you need to click on Facebook, and you need to click on Facebook, and here you can find the option of update. So guys I have already updated my app, therefore I am not facing this issue. So guys if you have not update your app and having any kind of update on WhatsApp, then guys simply you need to update from here, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, and after this you need to scroll down, click on system, and click on reset phone, and here is the option of reset Wi-Fi settings. So guys simply you need to click on it, and after this guys here you need to select sim 1, and after this you need to click on reset, and guys after this select sim 2 and click on reset, and guys after doing reset network setting, then your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Facebook smoothly. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.